Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Raj Afridi from Nexus Stock AI, and this is our team members. We will start with a story. Imagine a university student named Sakib who is interested in the stock market and wants to become a smart investor. Every day he visits different websites, reads financial news, and checks market trends before making an investment decision. However, the biggest challenge is not finding information, but handling too much information. As a beginner, Sakib often feels confused and find it difficult to identify the right insights. To solve this real life problem, we developed Nexus Stock AI, an intelligent platform that uses AI and a simple dashboard to organize financial information, analyze market trends, and help users make smarter investment decisions. Just as we turn to our best friend when we need advice or someone to share our concern with, it can be used stock friend where who can suggest you or coach you. Our target users are students, beginner investors, and finance enthusiasts who want an easier and smarter way to understand the stock market. Our project was guided by 5 key functional requirements. First, investors must be able to track overall market in real time. Second, they need access to technical indicators like RSI and Bollinger Bands without leaving the app. Third, they should be able to compare multiple assets on a radar comparison matrix. Fourth, we integrated an AI copilot that provides intelligent analysis by using livestock data and financial information. Finally, we aggregate recent market news with AI generated sentiment scores. Rather than just explaining these features on slides, let's just prove that our software works. Now let's move to the live system demonstration.
Going to discuss about the feature list of this application. So here we have the overview section where we have the total market cap, S&P, fair and great, the global sector heat map. We can see the individual scores of each field and the top movers, the popular stocks available in the market. And the technical analysis part is the next one. Here we can see the graph and the volume of individual stock, currently showing the Apple stock, which is like 291.58. We can see for 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or even a year to understand the consistency of the stock with individual tags like RSA and VWAP, which is necessary to understand the app. Now if we see the AI copilot section, we can understand any kind of stocks in the available in the market, like Nvidia with different kind of stock rates and AI summary. If we ask any kind of question to our AI agent, we can get an interactive answer. And let me show you another one like Tesla, which is scoring a very low mark like 3.4 out of 10. It has actually a summary why it is scoring so low. Like Google is scoring 6.6 and 7 with this kind of stock. I don't know the name, but yeah, why it is scoring this kind of score we actually understand after clicking it. Now we can also add any kind of stocks here, like we can search for Ford if we want. We can see the Ford Motor Company, we can add it to our watch list. And now the response has already arrived. We can see that it has analyzed some key points and came up with some conclusion verdict about the stock. Now if we go to the compare assets, this is an important feature of this application, like comparing two individual stocks like Google and Amazon, anything. Like you can also search like let me go for Ford again. You can see the actual rating, like why Microsoft is leading the AI score here. So you can see with the 6 dimensions like momentum, profitability, growth, etc. And we can also understand the basic why Microsoft is leading the market with metric breakdown. And finally an AI analysis. Also we have a news statements with 52 weeks like news of the market. We can click on any kind of news with the understanding the statements, fair score, batch quality, and also we have a AI analysis of the news, and we can actually read the full article. Here you can see just loading, and here we go, we have the news of the stock from this website. let me close it. And now we see the search option. Here we can search any kind of stock and analysis with the part. I have already shown you with the Ford. Let me show you again. FORD, baby. Yeah, here you can see the Ford Motor Company or anything like maybe starts with M. Yeah, you can see the MOSFET, the Microsoft Corporation, and this stock I don't know actually. And yeah, the notification section is necessary. Like we can understand, or like if we are interested in a particular stock like Netflix, we can just get notification if it cross this current stage, or like it goes down. Like let me type 700. If Netflix current price is above crosses $700, then we can actually get the notification if we add it. You can see the past some notifications alert. Or we also have overview section here in the settings, like which stocks are added and the appearance. We have a dark theme. Now you can see here, let me show you the mobile view section, like opening the console. Yeah, here you go. You can see here the mobile view of this application, which is fully optimized for mobile also. This is the dashboard. You can also ask any kind of question to this AI, like any kind of question that you want, it can answer it. And like for this thing, just to understand, to use this application properly and professionally, we can just get us technical support from this little help box or toolkit. It will take some time, but eventually it will end up with the response. Here you go. So this is it.
Today, I'll be giving you a high-level breakdown of our Next Stock AI architecture. The project is built using Next.js app and React 19 over TypeScript. To power the dashboard, our application communicates with multiple backend services and external APIs for real-time stock and news data. We also integrated Gemini as the foundation for our AI Copilot to provide intelligence support. Because we rely on so many external APIs, managing the data flow reliably is critical. Instead of depending on just one service, we built a custom orchestrator. As you can see in our orchestrator file, we use a chain of fallbacks. FinHub serves as our main data source. If it fails or hits a rate limit, the system gracefully falls back to Alpha Vantage and then to Ruin AI. This ensures our users never see empty charts. To prevent hitting those API rate limits in the first place, we built a custom 3-layer caching systems for our heavy charting data. When the front-end requests stock data, the server first checks the L1 memory cache. If it's empty, the system falls back to L2 cache that's based on file system. And if it fails, then the L3 network request is executed and the chart data is found from the API, and the data is never empty. Finally, let's look at how we implemented the Gemini AI I mentioned earlier. In our Copilot API route, you can see we use a retrieval augmentation generation or RAG system. Before we send the user's prompt to Gemini, we use the build context utility to give all the stock data, prices, and all the analysis that the application did, including the stock details with the prompt, so the LLM can give data based on the analysis our system already did.
This is the project Kanban of our application. You can see we have used the proper software development methodology Scrum to develop this software to work as a team. This is the backlog, and the priority board is also here. You can see we have worked together to understand each other, and proper teamwork is utilized here. And this is it.
Our biggest challenge was managing API rate limits and large amounts of financial data. We overcome this by using efficient API handling and caching techniques. In future, we aim to make Nexus Stock AI a personalized AI stock companion for Bangladeshi investors by integrating DSC data and integrating with Dhaka Stock Exchange, providing smarter suggestions, personalized notification, and more accurate insights. Thank you so much.